Well, of course, kitchen technology has come a long way in the last few years, and smart kitchens especially are making life a lot simpler for people who decide to spend more time in their kitchens. And the great thing about new cooking techniques that are being applied through appliances is fantastic. So people who want to steam stuff, or are worried about eating excessive amounts of fat and oils, etc. A lot of these new technologies actually help in a large way. Sous vide is a classic example, which can be facilitated through steam ovens. And of course now there's vacuum packing machines available in the home kitchen, which is unheard of. You only saw that in professional kitchens. So all of that helps, and it's just only it's a matter of time before homes start adapting to that very quickly, like they did with the dishwasher.